Hi, Michelle here with Strawberry, and today I'm going to be unpacking a shoebox for Operation Christmas Child for a little boy ages 2 to 4. When he first opens his shoebox, this is what he will see. And so our big wow item, I can barely fit in the box. It is this dinosaur, and I just got him recently at Walgreens on clearance, and I kind of rubber band his legs in so that he would fit a little bit better. But isn't he just adorable? I just know some little boy is going to love that. He gets a spiral notebook for school, and he gets a coloring book. Oh, let me take off that clearance sticker. He is going to get a big beach ball. Okay, I should have taken off the stickers first before doing this video. Oh well, that's okay. He is going to get a dancing ribbon ring, all in blue colors, that he can play around with. I made this, and I have the directions for it in another video that I will have linked for you. He has a dinosaur card. These are so cool. So it's one of those, pull it back, and it goes forward, and it's shaped like a dinosaur. I found these on Amazon, and I just think they are adorable. So I will link to my Amazon, and if you want to get one for yourself, I am an Amazon associate, so I do affiliates link, so I do get a small percentage of anything that you might buy from my link, so I do need to let you know that ahead of time. I got him a green toothbrush, and this is a little kid one. He has a little pair of flip-flops that he can wear. He's got a pair of blues and red socks. He has a blue flying disc. He has a maroon out, invest in traditions, what it says. This is a Texas A&M silicone bracelet. He has a school bus. So this is actually like a stress thing, but it's a stress school bus, so you can squeeze it or he can just play with it. It has a little ball. Oops. What I was trying to show you is when you bounce the ball, it actually lights up. And we have, he's going to get a pencil pack. So inside of his pencil pack, he has a box of crayons. He has a pair of blunt tip scissors. He gets some puffy stickers. He gets several pencils and a pen and a glue stick. And I've got some erasers here for him as well. I just really hope that this little boy is going to love this box, especially his big dinosaur, and that it will show him that he is loved by God. If you have not started on your shoeboxes, what are you waiting for? Have a great day. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe, hit that like button, and until next time, toodles! 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 Toodles!